English speaking practice at the supermarket with Ben and Anna.
Hi, Ben. What are you doing here?
Hi, Anna. I'm buying groceries. What about you?
I'm shopping for dinner. What are you buying?
I need milk, eggs, and bread. How about you?
I need chicken, rice, and vegetables.
Do you cook often?
Yes, I cook every day. Do you?
Not really. I eat out most of the time.
What do you like to eat?
I like pizza and burgers. You?
I love pasta and salads.
Do you know where the milk is?
Yes, it's in the dairy section. It's over there.
Thanks. Where can I find rice?
The rice is in aisle 3.
Great. I'll get my things now.
Me too. Are you done shopping soon?
Almost. I just need some snacks.
What snacks do you like?
I like chips and cookies.
Those sound tasty.
Do you need help carrying your bags?
That's nice of you, but I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay, see you later, Anna.
See you, Ben. Have a good day.